iconic Turkish car, the Doğan. And this is probably like the most used car in Turkey. They stopped producing it several years ago, but still today it's like an icon. People love this car, so I'm going to drive it and yeah, see how we go. Hi, merhaba. How are you? Nice to meet you. Yay! Oh my god! Ah, teşekkürler. In the back there are a few options. And the boot. You can actually, how the hell does this open? Ah, there we go. Look, you can actually hang your clothes. You can dry them, you know. So it's perfectly practical, really.
1, 2.
Why do you have so many cleaning things?
Renk. Abi de
Niye bu kadar çok var?
bu kadar çok niye? Bu sadece cam, windows.
So for every different part of the car he's
Hem
using a
de
different
sadece
cloth.
jant.
Wow!
So this is for only tire, that
Bu
was for the
sadece
glass.
2.
This is for the inside of the car.
Oh my goodness. So you love this car, hey?
Biz Türkler çok seviyoruz
Arabanı
arabayı.
çok seviyorsun değil mi diyor.
Verin.
Kalır.
This is your baby.
Senin bebeğin değil mi diyor.
Evet.
Oh wow. Okay, I've never seen
Which
so
one
many.
is better?
Yeah.
Wife or the car?
Oh.
Abi çok ağır bir soru geldi. Eşin mi, araban mı?
Bekarım ben araba.
He's single.
I'm single. Thank God for that. Oh my goodness.
Otomobil fabrik.
Turkish car factory.
And then the A, what does this stand for? Automotive?
That's like limited.
Limited?
You mean the company?
Okay, LLC.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So Turkish Automotive Factory. This is Doğan. He's a big car YouTuber here in Turkey.
The best.
The best. So make sure to check him out. And yeah,
Ben
so
bunu-
he basically goes around
Tofaş'ın açılımını bilmiyordum bu arada.
and
Onu
looks
öğrenmiş
at all the
oldum.
best cars in Turkey.
Hold on.
Look-
Doğan. Car is also Doğan. Same.
Yeah. So this car is called Doğan, and his name is Doğan.
Güzel info için teşekkür ederim. Biraz önce fark
apparently
etmemiştim
the
onu.
story is that his father was a mechanic, and he named his son after this car. But apparently that is not the story. But we're going to go with that anyway because it's a cooler story. Doğan also means falcon.
Falcon, yeah.
So you're actually named after a falcon, not a car.
So,
Yeah, he is.
Ne?
Yani arabadan değil,
Yeah,
kuştan.
yes.
After a falcon. We'll believe him for now. He's actually named after the car.
Arabanın
It's
çok
a cooler story.
ona değil. Direkt NASA'ya bağlı bu. Connected NASA.
They're communicating with the aliens through this car.
Devam.
Benim daha eski bir modeli vardı.
He used to have the older model.
Abime benziyor bu arada. Bak Enes abiniz nerede demiş Affan. Gerçekten abime benzemiyor mu adam? Siz görmediniz gerçi ama en küçük abime
That's
benziyor.
the original
Adam Sivaslı bence
Fiat
çok
var.
net.
Okay.
Yolda yaşlı insanlar çevirip durdurup kendi aileleriyle olan hikayelerini anlatıyorlar.
And he's saying that old people will stop him on the road and tell them their stories with the car, with their own
Because
families.
either their grandfather owned one, or their
Yeah.
father owned one, or their mom owned one. Okay, cool. So everyone has a connection to this car. That's really nice.
Some
Automotive press.
Yeah.
Bu otomobile çok ilginç bir şey söyleyeceğim.
There's an interesting story with this car.
Baykal'a gidiyorum. Sibirya'ya gidiyorum. Baykal Gölü'nü geçiyorum arabayla donmuş.
He was crossing the Baikal Lake in Siberia
Yeah.
with the car, but not this car. Bu arabayla mı?
Yok.
With
Mazda.
some car.
Yeah.
With some car, yeah.
60 bin izleniyor.
It's being watched only 60,000 times on YouTube.
It's being watched mu?
So he's crossing a frozen lake
Yeah.
in
In a car,
Siberia,
yeah.
and
Yeah.
it's only being watched 60,000 times.
Arabayla Boğaz'a gidiyorum, video çekiyorum.
He went to Bosphorus with this car.
Yeah.
2 milyon izleniyor.
2 million.
It's wrong. And I'm talking, Ferrari, Lamborghini owners. See what this guy has done. Here it is, and you see this whole house around it, like this garage. He built this garage. Unlock lock button. This is actually opening the exhaust and closing the exhaust. So we'll just open it. We'll
Alright.
press this one.
open. Let's see. Okay, this is closed. Yep.
Merak ettim ne muhabbet geçiyor diye. O yüzden bekledim.
Open.
Car is so. This car is so cool. I love it because people are so enthusiastic about this car. It really represents the country and the people. They all have a story around this car, so I'm excited to drive it. Who wants to come?
go.
Doğan abi.
Let's go.
Kalın diyor.
Enes is driving it.
Enes, my car is way cooler. The Doğan. It's way cooler than your car.
havalı, evet. Daha cool, evet.
Let's race, man. Let's race.
Bir tur atalım mı?
Bir tur atalım mı?
Bir tur. Tercüme eder misin?
Cringe'den gerçekten tüylerim diken diken oldu. Midem bulandı yemin ediyorum bak.
Look at this. Look at this. See this. See the height of this one.
Yes.
See the height of this one.
Oh, it's lower.
Oh, it's been lower.
Okay.
All right, here we go, guys.
Here we go.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Woo! Doğan's coming, baby. The brake is a little bit not working.
Spor otomobilinin neredeyse hepsini.
Here we go. Here we go. Whoa! Woo! Watch out, people! Watch out! I'm coming for you.
Or like mirrored.
Okay, racing through Istanbul. From Kayseri.
Tamamdır. Kadın kim? Kadın süperkar Blondie.